Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're using a salted duck egg to braise with the yam potato leaves and make a very simple 5 minutes yam leaf recipe. And as usual, since this is the first time that we use the yam leaves on this channel, we're gonna talk about what is yam leaf, the health benefit and the nutrition facts of yam leaves, as well as how to prep them before cooking. Check it out. Hi friend, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling are my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. I make kitchen trivia shorts and Asian home cooking recipe on this channel, so if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. Yam leaves, aka sweet potato leaf, it is closely related to the yam family, but the kind of yam leaves we sell in the market nowadays is a special kind that's produced for its edible leaves. The actual sweet potato leaves are also edible, but it is less tender with more fuzz on its surface, so it doesn't taste as good. The yam's leaf shape can vary from chordates, spades-like, to triangular. The leaves are known for its green, subtly sweet, and slightly bitter flavor when raw, similar in taste to spinach. After cooking, the taste becomes mild and have a delicate vegetal taste. Yam leaves, or sweet potato leaves, are a good source for vitamin C to strengthen the immune system while reducing inflammation. The vitamin A content can maintain a healthy organ functioning, while the vitamin K can assist with the faster wound healing. The fiber from greens can regulate the digestive tract as well. The leaves also contain calcium and phosphorus to strengthen the bones and teeth health. Now you know how much that the sweet potato leaves got to offer, let me teach you how to make a super simple 5 minutes yam leaves recipe, the salted egg braised yam leaves. And screenshot! Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's recipe. We'll need some yam leaves, salted duck egg, garlic, fish sauce, broth, and some olive oil. I know that a salted egg is not a very popular ingredient here in the US, but if you're willing to give it a try, first of all, you're not going to tell the difference between a duck egg and the chicken eggs. And second, it is a perfect flavor to combine with veggie and porridge. First things first, let's prep our sweet potato leaves. Depending on your local supermarket, you might be able to find a loose pack of yam leaves or the one that comes with the stems. If you got the one that comes with the stems, you'll have to peel off the leaves ourselves. The main stem might be too fibrous, but the thinner ones that connect the leaves are edible. Rip them into shorter pieces and wash them thoroughly. If there's some water damage or withered, pick them out. Now our yam leaves are ready, let's prep our garlic and salted egg. Smash the garlic clove flat to release the flavor better. Cut the eggs into half and use a spoon to scoop out the eggs. Separate the yolks from the whites and roughly chop the egg whites. And we're ready to cook. Heat up a wok, pan, or pot and add in some oil. Wait till the oil is hot, add in your garlic and stir till it turns a little bit golden and aromatic. Now you can add in your minced egg white and stir fry real quick. Around 30 seconds later, you can add in your broth and egg yolks. Use a spoon to smash up the egg yolks so the flavor can be more even and let it boil for 1 minute. This 1 minute boiling time is very short but totally necessary because we need time for the egg yolks and white to release its salty flavor. Then it is time to add in your yam leaves. Cover it up for 1 minute, let the leaves soften up. Open up when the time's up. You can add in a little bit of fish sauce for the umami. Most restaurants like to use MSG, but the fish sauce will do too. Give it a little taste if you want to see if it's salty enough. If it's not enough, you can always add in more salt or fish sauce. Mix all the sauce and leaf well together, and done! The salted egg braised sweet potato leaves is ready. Wow, it smells really good. The main flavor of this dish is provided by the salted egg. You can taste the mild sandy texture of the yolks combined very well with the yam leaves. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Check out this video to learn how to cook pea shoots, and check out the video down below to learn how to stir fry cabbage. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!